Hello to our little stars and parents. I am Dipali Shukla. I am a library teacher for the standard 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Dear students, we understand due to COVID-19 you all are stuck in the houses and must be getting bored. But do not worry. From now on here I will be posting your favorite stories and you will definitely enjoy them. But remember, listen to the stories after doing your study and homework properly. Today in this lecture, I will be reading your favorite superhero Chhota Bheem. I want you all to read the story with me and I will explain hard words too. Our story name is Bheem Goes to the Beach. Chhota Bheem and his friends want to go on a holiday to the beach. What is the beach? Asks Raju. Bheem says, the sea. Chutki says, sand, lots of sand. Indumati says, and she sells. The children take a taxi to the beach. They see tall palm trees. Dear children, look at these palm trees. These are the called palm trees. Palm trees swaying. Swaying means, here we got one hard word. Swaying means moving side to side. They see tall palm trees swaying in the breeze. Breeze means cold wind. They smell something warm and salty. What is that? Asks Raju, sniffing loudly. It is the sea, says. Look at this beautiful beach. They are staying at Indumati's beach house. Whoosh, whoosh. What is that sound? The children look out and see something shining in the distance. It is the sea, sparkling in the sun. Sparkling. Sparkling means shining with many small points of light. They walk towards the sea. Their feet keep sinking. Sinking means to move downwards. Their feet keep sinking in the sand. Look at their feet. Raju says, this is lovely. It is grainy and warm from the sun. Grainy. Grainy means something that feels rough. Raju cannot wait to build castle in the sand. Eek! What is that crawling creature? It's a crab. Look at this beautiful crab. What is it doing? Digging into the sand. Crawling. Crawl means move on the hand. Move with the help of hands and knees. Digging. What is it doing? It's digging. Digging means make a hole in the ground. Do you know, students? Crabs have 10 legs, including 2 big claws in front. It has got 10 legs and 2 big claws in the front. Crab says, I like walking sideways in the sand. Crabs like walking sideways like this. Chutki, Raju and Jaggu build a beautiful sand castle. They use their red and blue pails. Look at this beautiful sand castle. They use their red and blue pails. Pails means bucket. Bheem decides to go and help them. He wants to play in the sand too. Growl. What is that noise? Beam is hungry. Luckily, the picnic basket is stuffed with delicious snack. There are sandwiches, fruits and lemonade. But where are the laddus? We all know that Beam and his friends loves laddu a lot. Swish, swish. Beam and Chutki are playing badminton. Thwack. Chutki hits the shuttlecock. This is a shuttlecock. It flies through the air. This looks fun. Raju and Jaggu want to play too. They are playing badminton. It is getting dark and the sky is full of stars. Chota Bheem and his friends must go back to the beach house now. I'm just seeing with the pictures, you get more idea. Next day. Good morning. The sun is rising and the sky is pink and orange. Chutki and Indumati go for a walk along the beach. They are looking for seashells. Shells are of different color, shapes and sizes. If you put them to your ear, you can hear the sea. Look at these seashells. These are the seashells. If you put them to your ear, you can hear the sea. Beam and his friends are going to look for dolphins. What is that swimming alongside the boat? Alongside means next to something or someone. The dolphin jumps high, does a somersault. Here we got one more hard word. Somersault means a movement in which you roll right over with your feet going over your head and dives back in, splashing the children with water. What fun! Look at these beautiful dolphins. Beam and his friends play in the water, splashing each other. The waves are eating our footprints in the sand, says Raju. Everyone laughs. These are the waves. After playing for some time, Beam wants to take a break. He goes and sits on a chair. This feels so cool. It is time for one last adventure. Adventure means an exciting or unusual activity which you enjoy a lot. The children climb into a big, colorful, hot air balloon. Up, 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 they float into the blue sky. Beam can see the trees and beach, even their beach house. Look at this beautiful hot air balloon. Finally, it is time to go home. I am going to miss the dolphin, says Indumati. Beam and his friends looks back at the little beach house as they leave. This was the best holiday we have had, says Chutki. Okay, so this is the Chota Bheem story. I hope you all have enjoyed it a lot, and next time I will be posting some more interesting and exciting stories for you all. Thank you.